Hey everyone! Welcome back to Be Easy English. I'm Bella, and today we're going to practice 50 English sentences for the coffee shop together. You know, coffee's kind of my thing. I drink it every single morning. But when I first moved to an English-speaking country, the coffee shop was the scariest place for me. I'd stand in line and practice my order in my head 10 times before it was my turn. So if that's you, you're going to feel so much better after this video. Let's start. Hi, how are you? This is the friendly greeting almost everyone uses. Short, warm, easy. Repeat after me. Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get more sounds more natural and polite than I want. Now you try. A medium latte, please. Just the size, the drink, and please. That's enough. Say it with me. I'd like a cappuccino. I'd like is soft and polite, very common in cafes. Your turn. Could I have an iced coffee? Could I have is even more polite than can I get. Both are fine. Repeat after me. What sizes do you have? Use this when you're not sure what to choose. Now you try. I'll take a small, please. I'll take means you've made your choice. Clear and confident. Say it with me. Just a regular coffee, please. Just makes the order feel simple. Nothing fancy. Your turn. Can I see the menu? Useful when you walk in and need a moment. Repeat after me. What do you recommend? Ask this when you can't decide. People love this question. Now you try. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Can I have it with oat milk? Use this to change the milk. Swap oat with almond, soy, or skim. Say it with me. No sugar, please. Short and clear. Baristas hear this a lot. Your turn. Could you make it extra hot? Could you is the polite way to ask for a small change. Repeat after me. Can I get that decaf? Decaf means no caffeine. Useful in the evening. Now you try. With 1 shot of espresso, please. You can also say 2 shots or an extra shot. Say it with me. Can I add whipped cream? A nice little extra. Use add for anything you're putting on top. Your turn. Less ice, please. For iced drinks. Short, polite, very common. Repeat after me. Could I have that to go? To go means you're taking it with you. For here means you're staying. Now you try. I'll have it for here. Use this when you want to sit and drink it in the cafe. Say it with me. Can I get a cup of water too? 2 at the end means you're adding it to your order. Your turn. Do you have any pastries? Pastries means sweet bakery items. Croissants, muffins, things like that. Repeat after me. I'll take a croissant as well. As well is a polite way to say also. Now you try. That's everything. Thanks. Use this when your order is complete. It signals you're done. Say it with me. How much is that? A simple, friendly way to ask the price. Your turn. Card, please. Short answer when they ask how you're paying. Repeat after me. Halfway there. Let's keep practicing. Can I pay with cash? Use this if you want to pay with bills or coins. Now you try. Do you take Apple Pay? Swap Apple Pay with Google Pay or any card name. Say it with me. Could I get a receipt, please? A receipt is the small paper showing what you paid. Your turn. Keep the change. This means the extra money is a tip. Very common with cash. Repeat after me. Sorry, could you repeat that? Use this anytime you don't catch what they said. Totally normal. Now you try. I didn't quite hear you. A softer way to ask them to say it again. Say it with me. Could you speak a little slower, please? Don't be afraid to ask. Most baristas are happy to help. Your turn. Is the Wi-Fi free here? Common question if you want to stay and work. Repeat after me. What's the Wi-Fi password? Simple and useful. Often the password is on the receipt. Now you try. Are these seats taken?
Polite way to ask if you can sit somewhere. Say it with me. Could I get a refill? Refill means filling your cup again. Some cafes offer this for free. Your turn. Do you have oat milk? Quick check before you order. Saves time. Repeat after me. Could I get a lid for this? Lid is the top of the cup. Useful if you're taking it with you. Now you try. Can I have a sleeve, please? A sleeve is the cardboard ring that keeps your hand from burning. Say it with me. Could I get some napkins? Always helpful, especially with pastries. Your turn.
Almost done. Just 10 more to go. Excuse me, I think this is the wrong drink. Polite way to point out a mistake. I think makes it softer. Repeat after me. I ordered a latte, not a cappuccino. Clear and calm. No need to apologize for their mistake. Now you try. Could you remake it, please? Remake means make it again. Useful when something is wrong. Say it with me. This is a little cold. Could you warm it up? Warm it up means heat it again. A normal request. Your turn. Actually, can I change my order? Actually is great when you change your mind. Very natural. Repeat after me. Where's the bathroom? Direct and polite enough. You can also say restroom. Now you try. Have a nice day. A friendly thing to say as you leave. Always welcome. Say it with me. You too. Thanks. The natural reply when someone says, have a nice day to you. Your turn. Thanks so much. A warmer version of thank you. Use it freely. Repeat after me. See you next time. A nice goodbye, especially at a cafe you visit often. Now you try. You did all 50. That's amazing. Now, before we finish, let's look at a few common mistakes. Quick tip. Here's a mistake I hear a lot. Wrong. I want a coffee. Right. Can I get a coffee, please? Why? I want sounds a little direct in English, almost like a small child asking. Can I get or could I have feels much warmer. Don't worry, this is one of the most common things learners do. Here's another one. Wrong. Give me a latte. Right. Could I have a latte, please? Why? Give me sounds like an order, not a request. In English, we soften almost everything with could, can, and please. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Here's another one. Wrong. I take it for here. Right.
I'll have it for here. Why? I take sounds like a habit, something you always do. I'll have means right now, this time. Native speakers use I'll have all the time when ordering. And one last mistake. Wrong. Repeat, please. Right. Sorry, could you repeat that? Why? Repeat, please. Feels a bit cold on its own. Adding sorry and could you makes it friendly. And honestly, asking people to repeat is normal. Even native speakers do it every day. So next time you walk into a coffee shop, you'll know exactly what to say. Start with one or two of these sentences. You don't need all 50 today. Just pick the ones you'll really use and try them this week. Keep practicing. Every sentence you repeat gets easier. I'll see you in the next one.